Shrink factor in IMPs. Within IMPs, we use a concept called shrink factor to represent intentionally ordering in excess of parts to account for loss or damage. If shrink factor is enabled, it can be assigned here as a percentage. Note that shrink factor applies the same quantity to all revisions of a part. Applying shrink factor will automatically update all existing demands. The extra amount allocated to the demand we call shrinkage. From the purchasing report, we also indicate where shrink factor is used. On the item search page, we can clearly see items which include shrink factor. When adding a demand which includes shrink factor, we automatically round up to the nearest whole part. When adding a part to the purchasing order from this page, we automatically include the shrinkage. In the production info box, we can see that shrinkage is displayed as a separate item here and that the purchase order includes the full requirement. By using shrink factor, we can ensure that we always have the right amount of stock to account for losses in storage or production.